Here we are going to look at how to edit our templates. Our templates are documents sent at such time as a job sheet, invoicing, purchase orders and PPM contracts. All of these documents are fully editable and therefore can represent your company branding in the best way possible. In order to edit the templates, we need to select the settings here on the left-hand side. Then we enter Document Templates. Here we can see the templates that we hold for job sheet, invoice, credit, quote, purchase order, PPM invoice, grouped invoices and grouped credits. First of all, we are going to look at how to edit our job sheet. What we have here is some job sheet guidelines. Once we've downloaded this document, it shows us all the options that are available. It will tell us what we can add to this document in order to pull through the information that we want. Each piece of information is tagged using this @ information, and this pulls through from the information held within Joblogic. You'll see how this works when we open the template itself. When you purchase the software, every template will have a default template already built in. You will use this as the basis for your editing. I have one here that I've been working on today, which I'm going to download and show you how we can change this. Before we can start editing the template, we need to click Enable Editing. This is now a Word document, and we can edit this as we like. We can change the colours of any data that's pulling through. If we want this to be red to match our company theme, we can do that. These banners will be grey within your first draft template. We can change these to reflect our company branding simply by clicking on the area and filling with the colour that we require. We can also remove areas. If we do not want this parts required, we can simply delete that table. Once we have completed our edits and our amendments, we save the document, and then when we go back into Joblogic, we have the option to add the template. We click on Add Template, we give our new template a name, we upload the template that we find in our documents, and we can then save. If we want to make this our new default, what we can do is simply select the gold star. Now I'll show you how that works when we're in Jobs. When we use the buttons, either print, download or email, we can use the drop-down box to select the job sheet we require, or if we simply just click on the box, it will bring through the default template that we have just made, which is here. Many thanks.